Just want to show you guys my 12 volt system, 4 batteries in parallel, 100 amp each. I used the HQST 60 amp and an IC2000 inverter. So I made this wood case and attached that to two-wheeler, and I put some grid power here, so you can go in with the power, and you don't have solar, you can charge with the power, and 4 outlets for 110 volts. And this is all removable. This is where the AC wiring is, so 2 screws, remove that. And this also, you can slide it out. And here is the controller for the inverter. It's back on. Now my fridge is connected right over there. It's pulling 7 amp though. That fridge sucks. And what I did also, I put a 250 amp going to the inverter, this inline fuser. For the inverter, before I turn this on, which is the battery comes in here, those 2 bus bar that I made, went to the junkyard, got some copper, made some holes, printed out support for that, and I got some copper screws also. And the battery comes up here, it comes up here, right? So I put a 15 ohms resistor so I can push this button and charge whatever inverter is over here, charge the capacitors, and then I turn this on. This is the breaker that interrupts the battery bank to the plus bus bar, and then from the bus bar it goes another 80 amp that goes to the inverter. No, sorry, charge controller, solar charge controller. So my solar are connected here, goes down here and comes up here. And what I did, I print out those. It took me about 2 or 3 hours to measure and make this nice, so I can connect the MC4 and lock it in place with these 2 lockers here. So when I push it in, this doesn't come out. And when I want to take it out, I have those clips that you press it and you release the cable. So this way it's fixed. And this is not gonna be, you know, a jerk around. And those connectors are pretty sturdy there. And then I just put a support here just to keep the cable from coming all the way and turning 90 degrees. So whatever you do from here is not going to affect this connection here. So, and this is just some LED lights that I put in, that it turns, some LED lights that I put in over there, and I put it over here too. At night it looks nice. That's it. So you can turn that off. This is the pass-through for 12 volts for the load. So I put just little LEDs here. But basically it's very simple. And this is my load when this breaks down. The inverter is discharged, so I want to charge the inverter, so I press this button here and hold for a second, and then I turn this on. That's a nice way. And this is two cable going from here to the inverter. Very short. It's very short run. You can see it's about 14 inches. And yeah, and this is also copper bars that I bought at junkyard. Drilled them up and put a fuse, 125 fuse in every single battery, just in case. And the only thing I need to do is cut this cable to the same length of that. So I have this battery here, connect to that, then from here going to that, then that, and then this is opposite. The negative is coming from here, goes to that. So it's a perfect wiring as far as I understood watching a lot of videos on YouTube. Even Will, I think, will agree with that. So it's pretty simple, and a little breaker for the solar disconnect, and that's about it.